How to parallel park step by step. Find a suitable parking spot that's big enough for your car. Turn signal on. Pull up alongside the car in front of the space you want to park it. Don't get too close. Keep about 2 feet between the cars. If it's a same size car, you can match it mirror to mirror. If it's a larger vehicle, aim to align your brake lights with theirs. Turn your wheel 360 to the right and begin to reverse at a 45 angle. Continue reversing until you can see headlights of the car behind you in your left mirror. Ensure that your right mirror covers the left brake lights of the car next to you. Turn your wheel fully to the left, pivot back into your spot. Pull forward until your car is centered in the space. Once you're in the spot, make sure you're not too close to the curb and that you're not blocking any driveways.